I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, this is Jessica here and welcome to another amazing walking tour in beautiful Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. To get the most out of this video, hit the like button and post a comment. We will be exploring stunning Copacabana Beach and its surroundings. Pristine sand and blue water. Here we go. The fun starts with a stroll along the 4 kilometers beach. You can feel the breeze and listen to the seagulls. There are plenty of activities to participate, from volleyball and football to stand-up paddling. It's simply amazing. Head a bit further and you can glimpse at some of the iconic location from the coast, from the Copacabana Fort to the Copacabana Palace Hotel. There are many restaurants, cafes, and kiosks selling wonderful traditional food as well as refreshing drinks. On one side of the beach, you can find the Sugarloaf Mountain, easily recognizable and perfect for a selfie. The cable car that takes you to the top should be of your to-do list when you visit Rio de Janeiro. You can find many locals here, most of them swimming and playing in the waves. The lively atmosphere is one of the reasons why the beach is so iconic. And don't worry, it's safe to swim here. Having seen what Copacabana Beach has to offer, make sure to stick around till the end of the video. Thanks for joining us on this wonderful tour. We hope this video was helpful. If that's the case, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!